Most people see rain as the reason to stay home, but today it's just another challenge. Welcome to our Scramble in the storm. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tap in for more videos coming up soon.
We're getting poured out right now. We're out here committed to making videos for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch our next video. What is up, guys? Welcome back with another Par Timers video. Today we've already played the front nine. Now we're playing the back nine. We didn't do well on the front nine, so hopefully do a lot better on the back nine. So let's lock in and get into the video.
Yo! Why you smack?
Oh, right through the trees. Oh my!
Like rain.
Ooh.
Oh my gosh!
Kick right.
I saw.
Let's get it. All right, up for par. Let's nail this in. Oh, that's way too soft.
But for par, buddy, I got you.
Hit it harder.
Bang bang.
Not bad.
Look at your fuck, man. Oh my goodness.
Putt for bogey. Hit it way too hard. Double. All right, I was going over the trees. Par 5, got double last hole. All right, let's not do that again. Oh, that was perfect. Except it caught that one.
I lost it.
Right there.
Oh.
Oh, see, I keep doing that now.
Oh, I got way too over that one.
Oh, it's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
It's only our third shot.
Oh, good gosh. It's
At
on
least
green.
it's on green.
That's on green, yeah.
Ah, let me cook. Dude.
All right, I understand, guys, if you don't want to watch this. Alrighty. Par shot. You kidding?
For par. Welcome.
Did bro not watch me? All right. Par 5.
All right.
Third hole. Par 5, third hole.
Par 5, bogey last hole. Beautiful drive here. About to undertake. Oh, yeah. Just rolled right on top of it. This is horrible for us.
Oh, good hit.
Thanks, man. Pretty decent.
Oh, that's beautiful. Good shot. You're kidding. What the heck? I hit that so. Good shot.
Might be far.
Oh, birdie look, right?
Mm-hmm.
I got a birdie look here. Nice and light. Bro, it didn't even drop. I don't even know if it dropped that much.
Yeah, it didn't really. But you kind of pushed it out. Your birdie. Sink this in. Oh, I hit it so light. Go in.
Tip it.
For par. Alright. Got 176 to pin. 7-iron hand again. Got par last hole. Should have definitely had birdie. Left it short, but it's alright. Focus on this hole. It's a good shot on there. Oh, it's going to be off to the left.
That'll do.
Yeah, that's not bad. All right. Putt for par.
Putt for par.
Let's go, big dog.
We got a par last hole. We got a par 4 coming up here. We're doing all right, but we need to get some birdies and stuff on the board. So here we go. Stinger! Holy crap!
Oh my!
What's that?
Oh, I just hit a tree stump.
Take us to the promised land, buddy.
Hopefully, yeah.
I'm recording, by the way.
Oh, hey guys. Guys, what do you rate my outfit? 1 out of 10. Switched it up. Haven't wore this.
We get a fit
Or
check.
this.
We get a fit check.
Fit check.
Where's the front? Where's the front?
TaylorMade on the hand.
Okay.
Nike on.
Okay, okay.
Titleist.
Okay.
Travis Matthew.
Yeah, yeah.
Nike.
Where's the belt from?
Oh, Louis V. You know how it is. All right. Anyways, driver par 4. Got par on last hole, so let's keep it going. Oh, that was pure.
That was pure.
Oh, that's hitting someone's house. Oh,
no.
Somebody's house.
Oh no. Not bad. Not bad.
We'll be fine, I think. Thunderstorms are coming, guys.
Told you that.
Oh my.
Oh, I actually. Ooh. About... Oh.
That might. Oh.
That's to the right. That's a good hit, though.
Sit. Ooh. Oh. Tap in for double bogey.
Tap in.
Bro, you messed me up. Tap in. Take it, Hunter. What is that?
Bro, you talking to my backswing.
What is that? Right, let's see if I can tap this in. Hope he missed it.
Bang!
Bang!
For par.
Triple bogey. Guys, welcome to the... You get a ticket to the birdie show. Psych. We suck. Yes. All right, horrible hole last hole. I'm not even going to say what we got, but I'm just going to focus on this drive.
Uh-oh.
You actually don't need a drive.
In the green.
Roll.
It's it.
It's all right.
All right, birdie putt. Oh, that's bad. All right, tap in. Tap in for par.
All right, par last hole, sadly. We've missed 2 birdie chances that we've had, so, but it's all right. We haven't been playing the best. But anyways, 8 iron in hand, 160 here, par 3. Let's give it a beautiful. Oh my. What am I doing?
Oh, that's not bad.
Not bad. Pretty good.
No. Why do I make the best?
All right, Hunter's beautiful shot here, so let's put this close. Roll. Roll.
That's way too late, bro. Yep.
Putt for bogey.
Bang!
Got bogey on last hole, guys. Bad. We're kind of stinking, but hopefully we can finish off strong these last 2 holes. Driver in hand, par 4 here. We're about to get poured on, so we got to get going. Dude, another draw, man.
Logan had actually a horrible shot, but it ended up in the fairway.
Wait, we don't know if that's in the fairway.
We think it's Logan's shot in the fairway, so we're just gonna go off that, and if not, hope I can get a good shot. Oh, like my ball just bounced to the right.
Come back. Oh, we're about to get poured on. Oh, we're getting downpoured on, guys.
Kind of trying to rush this, so. No, bro.
Good. All right, guys, I'm not hitting that one. Hunter hit a perfect shot.
I'll let them hear it, bro. They can hear you still.
They can hear me still? All right. We're getting poured on right now. Hunter hit a great shot, so I'm just putting. I didn't hit last shot because he was on green. So let's knock this in, guys, for the viewers. Go! Go! Oh, sure. I keep leaving them short, guys. Ah! All right, got par last hole. Still in the rain, so last hole of the day. So send it off on a good note. Oh, that's water, dude. Are you serious? That's pier, though. Get over the water.
We got last hole, par 4.
Getting down and poured on.
Yep.
Good shot.
Hey, man. Run the fairway. Oh, a little bit off,
Perfect.
but okay.
All right, I'm getting dumped on, guys. So I got all around in hand. Let's finish it strong. Oh,
Okay.
wait, that might be good. Oh, bounce out in the fairway.
All right, guys. Had to put the mic off. It's going to hit again, but it's downpouring, obviously. Hopefully, it puts his boy on green. And roll up. Oh, that's a good hit. Roll up. That's beautiful. He is running. He runs a track star. He's getting, I don't know what he's doing. And he's written. And here's up. He's putting without a putter. And, okay, he's running again. He picked it up. What? You don't have a mic.
Hi, guys. Thank you for watching the video. We're getting poured on right now. We're out here committed to making videos for you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe and watch our next video. See you guys.